Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to start new chapter hydrogen and water. The name hydrogen to the gas was given by Lavoisier and it produced water on combustion in air. Hydro means water and gen means producer. In Greek language, so hydrogen means water producer. Hydrogen is the lightest element known and it is the first element in the periodic table. It has the simplest structure containing only one proton in the nucleus with one electron in the first orbit, that is in case shell. Its atomic number is 1 and mass number is also 1. It exists as diatomic molecular gas. Its molecular mass is 2.016 AMU. Hydrogen was discovered by Cavendish in 1766 by the action of zinc metal over dilute hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen can be prepared in industry by the electrolysis of water. H2 gas can be produced by electrolysis of water when electric current is passed through water in the presence of a few drops of acid or base. H2 gas is liberated at cathode and O2 gas, a byproduct, collected at the anode. The presence of acid or base helps in the ionization of water. Properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. It is insoluble in water. It is highly inflammable gas and burned with the blue flame. It adsorbs on the surface of certain metals. Its electronegativity is 2.1. Chemical properties. Molecular hydrogen contain stable covalent bonding and relatively inert at laboratory conditions. Alkali metals like sodium, potassium, etc. and the alkaline earth metals like calcium, barium react with hydrogen on heating to form ionic hydrides. Hydrogen reacts with many non-metals. Under different conditions, hydrogen produce water, hydrogen reacts with nitrogen, produce ammonia gas, and hydrogen reacts with chlorine gas, produce hydrochloric acids. Uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used in the manufacture of fertilizers. It is used in the manufacture of vegetable ghee and edible oils. It is used in the manufacture of tungsten bulb filaments. It is used for the purification of metals. It is used as a fuel in the form of water gas. It is used in the weather balloons. Hydrogen is the use in the formation of hydrogen torch, which is used in cutting and welding. It is used in the preparation of chemicals like ammonia, methanol, etc. Now we are discussing new topic, water. As you know, the formula of water is H2O. Chemical properties of water. Water react with more electropositive metals like alkali metals, sodium, potassium, and calcium. They produce sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide. When water react with less electropositive metals like magnesium and zinc, produce magnesium oxide and zinc oxide. When water reacts with carbon, produce water gas, and when water reacts with silicon, it produces silicon dioxide. Hard water and soft water. Water containing dissolved impurities of hydrogen carbonates, chlorides, and sulfates of calcium and magnesium is called hard water. It does not give lather with soap, hence called hard water. Water containing dissolved impurities but in small quantities and easily produce lather with soap is known as soft water. There are two types of hardness in water: temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Temporary hardness is due to the presence of dissolved hydrogen carbonate of calcium and magnesium, whereas permanent hardness is due to dissolved chlorides and sulfate of magnesium and calcium. Method to remove hardness: by heating. Temporary hardness can be easily removed by boiling. This hardness is caused by the presence of dissolved calcium hydrogen carbonate and magnesium hydrogen carbonate, which decompose on heating to calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, which are insoluble in water and are removed by filtration. Permanent hardness can be removed by a number of methods, such as ion exchange method and different chemicals like washing soda, caustic soda, and zeolite, or some other common chemicals used in removing the permanent hardness. Students, do exercise from book page number 21, 22, and 23.